Titan's Edge Formula Review. Hello, side hustlers. Welcome back to my channel. What if you could turn just 30 minutes a day into a skill that builds real wealth without needing products, ads, or complicated funnels? It's called Titan's Edge Formula, a 5-day live sprint that teaches one specific skill: trading microcap cryptocurrencies using a step-by-step system. The creator, Sean Donahoe, claims that this method can turn small amounts, such as $100, into big wins by spotting hidden opportunities that most people miss. It's marketed as beginner-friendly with live training, community support, and tools designed to help you trade with confidence. Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. The sole purpose of this video is OTOs, the one-time offer that you can take advantage of. But first, let me explain what you will learn inside these 5-day live sprints in short. Day 1 introduces the single trading skill that can create a freedom-based business and generate consistent income in under an hour a day. Day 2 teaches how to spot hidden microcap opportunities, verify them, and avoid costly mistakes. Day 3 focuses on building a repeatable system, developing a wealth mindset, and using the double tap strategy to multiply results. Day 4 is a live walkthrough where you apply the full process, filter trades, and turn it into a daily habit. Day 5 wraps up with celebrating wins, announcing prizes, and showing the next steps for long-term financial independence. I hope you understand briefly how Titan's Edge Formula works. Now, let's see the 2 OTOs of Titan's Edge Formula. First, there is the Titan's Edge Formula front end. To check the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is VIP Red Carpet Access. The VIP package offers exclusive Q&A with Sean, live trade reviews, bonus sessions, comprehensive workbooks, and 30-day access to recordings for continued learning and implementation. The second OTO is the Elite Inner Circle. Bonuses include mobile trading training, 10x success method, money management system, lifetime access, original masterclass, partner seat, and elite community status for deeper learning and recognition. Now, here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. First, private Discord community group. Second, session transcripts. Third, Cliff Notes versions. Fourth, Q&A session. Fifth, bonus seat for your spouse as well. Number 6, replays for 24 hours. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. So, you've seen the results, the process, and the simplicity behind Titan's Edge Formula. This isn't just another course. It's a chance to learn one powerful skill that can pay you for life. Seats are filling up quickly, and the opportunity won't last forever. Take action now. Secure your spot in the 5-day sprint and start building the financial freedom you've been searching for.